Belt and Road Initiative envisioned linking over 150 countries across Asia, Europe and Africa via railways, highways and ports. The initial plan saw a land-based belt running westward through Central Asia into Europe and a maritime road connecting Chinese coastal cities with Africa and the Mediterranean. The program has since been expanded to include projects across East, Central and Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, Eastern Europe and South America.
$1.3 trillion of projects have been initiated, making it more than 7 times larger than the legendary Marshall Plan.
China and other countries plan to invest up to $8 trillion in the project.
French port will connect China to Europe via Egypt over 7,500 miles across the Red Sea and the Suez Canal. Another route will head to South Africa via Kenya over more than 9,000 miles across the Indian Ocean. It'll be able to transfer 90,000 hours of Netflix from China to Europe and Africa in just 1 second.
A $2.1 billion modernisation of the rail link from Budapest to Belgrade will eventually connect Europe with 2 Greek ports and 1 in Montenegro.
China and Argentina have joined forces to build the largest wind farm in Latin America.
The $3.3 billion development of Chechel or El Hamdania port, which is 88 kilometers west of Algiers, is a hugely ambitious project which aims to link the Mediterranean with the African interior. Africa's longest suspension bridge, the Maputo-Katembe Bridge, connects the Mozambican capital Maputo on the northern bank with the suburb of Katembe on the southern bank.
Egyptian government are now investing $58 billion in constructing the country's entire capital again from scratch.
700 square kilometer footprint, the biggest planned city ever.
Forest City is an ambitious $100 billion project with a groundbreaking idea of transforming 4 man-made islands into a futuristic smart green city.
Gwadar port is located at the entrance of the world's busiest shipping route. China is spending $4.7 billion on developing the strategically located deep sea port, 10 million tons of cargo passing through per annum, making Gwadar the biggest shipping centre in South Asia.
We are located in Abu Dhabi, near Al Ain.
A total of 1,177 megawatts.